Kubor ka Batisi TV.
Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro ha ka jingdap sans nem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendai Lat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Lone So Po Shillong. Wan ban thiet ya ka kali Datsun Ready Go bathamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
Sembut Menteri Rangba jong jela ba Preston ten song ula pentem. Ba hakakan riu tarik no pra arajar arpau unsalait man play pat ba ya ka facilitation center belasnar ka sorkar jela haka shnong umling ke badan hari boy district. Habe keren megila pathai kubor ba Preston na ithu ba hakini ka facilitation center on bo ya way nong tre jong katnat ka kwek kya uban pet ngori ka jingwan rung ki brio ki banabar chepok ka jela bat way pat na katnat jingok kai perthai uban pet ya ka benta jong ki nongan jingok kai perthai ki banabar ki bawan rung chepok ka jela bat kinu ki brio ki bawan rung chepok ka jela mekhlian nadu ka khat riu trek no pra arajar arpho kin haban dai tho kerteng shwa hakini ka center balabu da ka sarkar shushu lai tho bagi tra jela ni wat ki bar jela ru ki bawan nabar ka jela mekhlia kin haban ya lingba na ka facilitation center ha ka ba ka sarkar kan sa pentri kamru ya ki kendon jong ka standard operating procedures Knang ban yadaru nakajing sa priang jong priang jingpang COVID khat kendai.
So we have decided day after tomorrow we are going down to inaugurate the entry points at Umling at 11:30. In absence of CM, I'm going to inaugurate this. And then over there you will know day after tomorrow you will see even the space where we already provided in case if rush happens, we'll make sure that no traffic jam and we'll make sure that no uneasiness happens to anybody who comes in, who enters the state of Meghalaya. From health department, one is from health department who is monitoring the coming in of people from outside the state, and number two is tourism, because the tourists when they coming inside the state, and number three is anybody entering to the state of Meghalaya, they need to register from there. So these are the three activities where we are going to start on the 16th of this month. Integrated formula has been adopted, where both all the three section of people, be it for health, means COVID, be it for tourism, or be it for any purposes, it is already integrated. But this is a registration where we really wanted to make sure our friends coming from outside the state, they are totally secured and safe. Tell you, Trans-Women see. Number one is those vehicles who has to move out of our state via Meghalaya state. Number one is they enter the Directorate of Infiltration that is there located in Banihat. So this personnel from infiltration, they check each and every vehicle, be it tourist vehicle, be it buses, be it anything, and then they ask question: where you going, how you going. Ultimately, they reach the entry point. The moment they reach the entry point, again, as I said to you, the integrated system is already in place, where we already knew even from the checkpoint of infiltration itself. Then when they reach there, again, the same information will be transferred to the entry point. So we'll make sure that the transit moment does not at all disturb the movement of these transit vehicles through Meghalaya via Shillong or via Ribhoi district. Tell you one thing, setting up of entry point, right now we start from Umling entry point, and then in the later part we are going to set up everywhere, every entry exit points. The message is very clear. it does not mean that we don't want them to come into our state. We welcome anybody who supposed to come down to our state for any different purposes, whatever, be it personal, be it official, be it for the business activities. We welcome them, and then for the interest of both sides. One is government, and number two is of the safety of themselves. I think the simplest way is only registration. And once you register yourself, means it's so simple. You registered yourself means the government is bound. Government is bound to know where you stay, how many days you stay, or if you come as a tourist, where you going, destination has to be there, because that information will be ultimately passed on even to the concerned police station. So, as I said to you, this system, which is to be implemented day after tomorrow, it's so simple and it's so attractive too for our friends coming from outside the state, be it from North India, be it from Western, be it from Southern parts, wherever. I think they need to understand one thing. Once we go to Meghalaya and once I register myself, I feel like I'm also part and parcel of the system within the government itself. So they feel safe. It's very safe for all of them. And it is our responsibility also from the government side to make sure that they are safe. I think long time back. And the SOP is whether you are local or non-local. When you go out, if you come back the same day, you don't need to do that. Okay, you don't need to do that. You just, of course, but you have to come through the entry point. So the moment you come through the entry point, because we know, okay, you coming from where, and then when you left Meghalaya, then everything has to be indicated over there. And once that is done, if they meet the protocol issued by the health department, means we don't need to check. No, right now, Directorate of Filtration is already operationalized. That is in Bernihat. So that will continue in Bernihat. The infiltration wing set up in the entire state of Meghalaya, that will be operationalized from their respective places. That is already, see, that has been prescribed. Okay. See, like suppose some people from Assam, they wanted to come here to Shillong, maybe for official purposes, maybe for their business purposes, whatever, and then they go back in the evening. It is only for the sake of registration. So we register them over there and then they go back. Okay. Then if you talk about those people who comes and stay maybe for 1 week or 2 weeks or maybe 1 month, again, that protocol is already there. As I said, protocol is already there. When they come again when they come, as I said to you, the protocol is already there. What they need to do is to show if they already tested. If you talk about COVID-19, if they have a medical certificate, within 72 hours, show that. Number two, they need to register. The registration is where, how many days you stay, and what is your purpose of visit. Purpose of visit is for what, and then how many days you need to stay, and then where is the accommodation where you're supposed to stay. All this information is required, and then we'll fill it up. And we knew it. Those vehicles passing through Meghalaya, all these days what we doing? All these years what we doing? The moment they reach the infiltration check gate or police over there, they stop the vehicle, ask question, and the drivers, they knew it. That system is already in place. There is no complaint about it. Nothing, no complaint till this moment. Nobody complains about it. This system will continue. That's what I mean. This system will continue. When they reach even the entry point, again, this system will continue where we will not stop.